Thabari ya kiwira ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta muhuro wa gitaru kia Afrika bururi-ini wa Namimbia no igwetwo gukorwo ikinyaniirie maundu matiganite makonainie urumwe na uiguano gatagati wa mabururi maya meri guku wonjoria gatagati ka raia kuma mabururi maya uhuritwo njeki ni ngirimiti itiganite iria ikinyaniirio hindi icera riri. No gatagati-ini ka maya mothe gikundi kia minista aria maumagaritie president icera-ini riri kirari na ihinda iritu hindi ya mucemanio na Akenya aria maikaraga bururi-ini ucio thutha wa president gukurana matirandikaga maundu ma bata na maria mararagiririo mucemanio-ini ucio.
I'm looking now, my brother Kiunjuri has just opened his notepad to write what I'm saying. But he was not interested in writing what these Kenyans are saying because maybe it has nothing to do with agriculture. But he forgets he is a minister of the Republic of Kenya. And whatever that is said, he should be interested to know. What is it that these people are telling us?
Guko Mwangi Kiunjuri wa urimi agikora hatikaini. Runake Peter Munya na Juma nao matinahonoka. Guko Juma agiukirirwo kumana na gucererwo kwa ministeri yake hari guteithiriria Akenya aria maikaraga nja wa bururi kweruhiria passport ciao mabururi-ini macio.
We had it in France. We had it in Dubai. Why should these people be made to pay money to fly to Kenya just to get a passport in order to get back to work? Yes.
Dege wa minister na arutuwira ake hakuhi onao ni matungite marakara maya make president Kenyatta. Aha muteithiriria wake Juma Gishaga gikomithio ni kugonderera wira-ini wake.
Na sio hawa mawaziri wangu. I have a long serving PA here. Anaangalia tu. Anaangalia masaa. Kwa hiyo nabakia ni mimi nikumbuke. Isipokumbuka hiyo imepotea.
Riri tirita ria mbere president gukirira a minister king'ang'a-ini kumana na kuhotoma kwa rutu wira wa muingi. Kuna thengia wa Mwangi Kiunjuri Peter Munya na Juma. Uria urari minister wa mithako Richard Echeso nake ni atungirio maruru ma president thiku nini mbere yake gutigithio wira.
Leo nimekuwa na baraza ya waziri na nimewaambia wewe kama huko tayari kufanyia wananchi kazi na jukumu lako ni siasa, piga about turn. Vijana niko nao wengi ambao wako tayari kufanya kazi.
Kana marakara maya ma Uhuru ni kionereria kia maundu maria magacoka kuhanika ndudu-ini yake ya minister ni undu wa maitho na gweterera. No kwa ihinda riri othe ameguthie na mbere gwikara mehugite mirutire-ini yao ya wira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.